Welcome to AI Tusankai campus. Come on over. This is the information office. Welcome to AI. Need some refreshment? Come here at the Rooster Cafe. Need something for school? Come to the Smart Mat. This is the Bursar office. Need anything for school? Come here at the Intercon bookstore. This is the student affair office. This is the interview room. And this is the testing room. In here, we have the academic office. For any emergencies, we have the help center. Wait, even heroes need a washroom break.
A few moments later.
I got the cleanest washroom. Come see it for yourself when you visit. This is the computer laboratory. Wow. This is a hallway. And this is a classroom. Hello, friends. This is MJQE library. Let's grab some books.